have taken time with the Professor Kithure Kindiki to sit with the president down and convince him that you people are good if you are deployed positively for the benefit of the country. You are good at whatever you do. So if you are given bad things, you do them very badly. So what we must do as an administration is give you the right things. And I did request the president to give me a chance to work with you, with Professor Kindiki and the rest of us. And I assured him that within 6 months, he'll have a change of mind that you are good people. I gave a guarantee on your behalf. Musiniharibie kazi yangu. Mimi sitaki kumwaga unga yangu. I assured the president to allow me and Professor Kindiki to work with you and give us a chance to show that you are people who know what you are doing. And I have no doubt myself. I'm so clear in my mind. You are the right people to work with. You guys are result oriented. You use initiative, you get what you need to get. And that is what I want us to do. So I'm your advocate 24/7. But also msiniangushe. Mimi namtetea nyinyi alafu pale mnaleta mchezo. Please let us succeed. And so far I'm so proud. When I was briefing the president yesterday about the farmer registration, nikamwambia Simundozi, nimekwambia hii watu ya kazi. Nikutumia alikuwa ametumiwa vibaya na ile mtu ya kiburi anaitwa Matiangi. You know, a fellow who had no idea on how to use these officers for the benefit of the country. Ni Maringo tu na kiburi. You know, these are officers, when they are properly guided and given a task for the benefit of the people of Kenya, they will do it and do it well. And that is why you see we are so many in government. I am there, I'm deputy president. We have Gadesha, he's a PS. We have Lusaka here, he's a governor. We have Anu Letish here, tuko na huyu chief of staff wangu huyu Makakoe, he was an administrator. Huyu Abdu Mwasera, the director of programs katika presidency, he was a provincial commissioner. And we are many, you know. And I'm being accused of bringing too many administrators in this government, and I have no apologies. Because I know